Hey guys, it's Amy and Emily, and today on Tweens Review, we're going to review and unbox the brand new, that just came out today, Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. Now, let's unbox this thing. So we went with the 32 gigabyte one. They also had a 64 gigabyte, but we stuck with the 32. Here's a little sneak peek of the phone. And we're going to set this aside along with its brand new wallet case or flip case, whatever you want to call it. And the first thing you see when you open the box is the phone manual and instructions. And you'll have the charger, the cord, and the headphones. And headphones look really cool, and we can't wait to use them. And here it is, the Galaxy S6 Edge, and it's really cool. We don't want to bore you with the geeky technical stuff. There are a few features that we want you to know. The first one is display, and it's a 5.1 quad HD Super AMOLED, and that just means that it's really clear in HD. It has a lightning fast 64-bit octa-core processor. And you can charge it for 10 minutes and get up to 4 hours of battery life. And it also has a built-in wireless charging capability. What is really important to me, and probably for all of you guys out there, is the camera. And I love clear pictures, so the rear camera is 16 megapixels and the selfie camera is 5. And I thought was weird was the camera. I don't know why it sticks out. I just thought that was really weird and cool. Now let's turn this bad boy on. Let's see what it can do. Let's put it in its case. Check this out. That's so cool. One thing that I hate about getting new phones is that they automatically add or upload like apps that come with the phone, but this doesn't have a lot. It has a few, which I think is pretty cool. Because it doesn't take up space. And it doesn't have a lot of junk. So the most important thing for us is the camera. So let's go get the cat and take some pictures and video for you guys. 1, 2, 3. Selfie! It took an automatic picture. When you say 1, 2, 3. That's so weird. It goes 2-1. That's weird. Selfie! Ready? What do you guys think? I think it's awesome. It takes great pictures and great video, and we highly recommend it to everyone because I think mostly everyone will enjoy this phone. I absolutely love the look of the phone, and I like how it's really, really fast. Sanjay and Craig. And overall, it's a really good phone. Don't forget the name. It's the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. Go get one now.